Alright, so this is the Redmi Watch 5 Active and it cost around $35. Sounds like a great deal, right? But as always, there are some trades off, so let's break it down. First, the design is lightweight, plastic, and it's pretty simple. There is a 2-inch LCD display which is actually decent with 500 nits of brightness, but here's the thing, there is no auto brightness. So if you are outside in the bright sunlight, you manually have to adjust it. If you're indoor, the same thing. It's a small thing, but it gets annoying pretty fast. Now feature wise, for the price, it's pretty stacked. Heart rate monitoring, SpO tracking, sleep tracking, stress monitoring, menstrual cycle tracking, it's all here. And you also get over 140 workout modes. But let's be real, most people are gonna use it for like 5 at most. There's even Alexa support, which is nice, but it's not the fastest thing in the world. One of the biggest selling point is the Bluetooth calling. The mic is decent indoor, but if you're outside, it's a hit or miss situation. It works, but don't expect crazy good call quality. When you receive a phone call, this is how it sounds and look like. Now here is something important. There is no built-in GPS. If you're going for a run on a bike or something, or bike ride, you want accurate tracking, you will need to bring your smartphone with you. Some of these Redmi and other models have built-in GPS, but this one doesn't, so keep that in mind. Let's talk about battery life. Really solid. You get up to 18 days under normal use, around 12 days if you are pushing it like with the heavy usage or something, and it charges in about like 2 hours. For a budget smartphone, that's actually really impressive. Of course, there are some drawbacks. No auto brightness, no GPS, no NFC for payments, and no third-party apps. So you're stuck with whatever Xiaomi app gives you. But honestly, at $35, it's hard to complain. You could use this watch screen as a mini torch, and you could also use the same screen as an SOS signal if you are in distress. If you do get this watch wet, there is a very simple built-in function that you could just press and it will clear out your watch from any water, like this. So should you buy it? If you just want a cheap smartwatch for notification, fitness tracking, and some basic features, it's a solid option. But if you need a GPS, a better display, or more app support, you're gonna have to spend a little bit more. Xiaomi also has a watch that I have on my table, which I will include that in the video. It's like $100, which is way better than the one I'm reviewing right now. Well, that's it for the Redmi Watch 5 Active. What do you think? So would you pick it up? Or would you save up for something better? Let me know in the comments.